900. The 800 version is sold more than those combined. So that's why we're saying 77-800 quite a lot throughout the day. Ryanair operates to 2 airports in Milan, Milan Malpensa, which is one of the main airports in Italy. We also do Ryanair Vienna, and operate to airports in Montreal and Berlin. That's down to Bergamo or Bergamo and Frankfurt.
That's a private jet. Yeah. No, I've got my phone on. Okay, hold on. 5,000 feet. So there's a private jet that should be touching down.
Yeah, that's not far off.
Then there's another private jet just in behind it. Then it's the A380.
What's it saying? It's about 5 minutes.
Yeah. Why don't you just pop down for private jets and then...
So our first executive jet. First one to stop commentary anyway. Just the second touchdown, just on my side. Small jet, jet 75.
There's another private. Oh, that's great plane.
Oh, is that good? No. Oh, what's that? I mean, that was the last at A380, wasn't it? Then again, it's got a different runway.
I hope now. But I can't see. Oh, I can see private jet now.
Is that the black one? Telescopic
Aircraft of the same arrival.
That might be a
yeah, I know, it's gone.
Oh, come on, Bears, you need to get its foot down. This is gonna be time. Think that's yeah, because you see the private jet in the distance.
Will also be an executive jet as well.
I can see it, Dad. I can see A380. Yeah. I very much.
The second one you said that was to all that.
So we've got this small executive jet touching down.
That's
and
it.
The aircraft behind that will be the Emirates. Just at the clouds at the moment. Can't quite
Yep,
go up
I see the Emirates.
It's touching height. Out of the clouds at the moment. And the executive jet touching down is not flying this morning in Finesse.
It's behind clouds.
London Luton Airport. And it's just
I'm in Manchester.
on the ground till about 1:30.
Honestly, you can see it this morning at our end. Oh man.
I can see it.
Going out to Malaga.
The landing gear.
There's an A380 coming this. He told me, not me.
That's it, can I?
That's it.
Right, we're filming now.
Oh, there it is. Oh, that's a good one. Yes, good one.
Alright, mate, it's clouds then. Sorry? You can go around because that one will late off time up and the other one will
It can't press this time.
There we go, right hand turn, right hand start.
Yeah.
Never actually seen one do that before, not any of them. Any planes do that. I didn't expect to say that.
So that's it, come right on the other end. After doing a complete circuit now.
Sounds like 12 traffic.
You've got better that Ireland was
two approaches for the price of one.
Do not stand this.
So you've got two approaches for the price of one.
Hands hop and Andrea, just taxiing out for
What's that one, Connor?
Like I said,
What's that?
There's one coming in as well.
Cabin of the aircraft might not shield. Also on flight. Cabin doors are ventilated, seatbelts are.
Okay, well I've already talked in this video, so I might as well do it. So what you just saw was, there was an A380 coming in, but there was this private jet on the runway. So the A380 is having to do a go around, and then this plane's coming in as well. So yeah, this video is probably going to be like 10 minutes long, but was that me? There's another plane behind it. I don't know if that's the A380, but it doesn't look like it. Yeah, the A380.
Salford, is it?
Oh, is it? Has it gone to Salford? This one coming in, I can't tell what it is, but I'll tell you when it gets down. Yeah, I've never really done any plane spotting on this channel, but well, we're doing it today. Oh, it's a Ryanair, so probably.
Sorry, Ryanair's behind it.
There's a Ryanair.
PG.
Oh, Pegasus. Right, so there's a Pegasus coming in, and then there's a Ryanair. So yeah. And we have. Oh, seemed a bit bouncy, did that? But Pegasus just landed.
camera went that way.
What did they just say? That's an A320.
I think it's a new one, that one.
We've got Logan here.
April 2020, that one was.
So look at that little
Oh, so that's an A320 Neo.
So then what, that's looping round and into it now.
And then that might be able to slot
And
in
then
there
it'll be
now.
the end.
See, Rivals Guts, it's not really.
I don't think there's all else doing it.
Oh.
That sound.
Where's that Pegasus? I can see it in real life. Oh, there it is.
Cheese sandwich for you.
Yeah, that's
Dairy
it.
dunker. Alright.
Remember Dairy Dunker.
Stand there, you'll see it. When it comes round, you'll see its engine and everything.
Coming in as well, I mean. Now I'll have to turn the camera to show you this Ryanair.
Through that door.
And there's an EasyJet in the camera shot.
That's in our apartment, and then for that building comes the Ryanair.
They've got
Pegasus is just off the runway, so it can
I was just
land.
thinking that.
If you're on the way aircraft, hurry up and stop in front of the
No, you
car.
put your stuff in and just press
Because
go.
they want them to
Got to have a look when we get back.
a nice
Brilliant. Make a list of things.
And Ryanair's just touched down. I think, yeah.
Taking off today.
No, that's fine.
onto the ground.
Go back and get you a couple of
Long land
bits.
through the forward onto the ground, so gives you their routing to their allocation.
Oh, it's a 737 MAX.
Is it?
And most of
Yeah,
them
that's
are
definitely a MAX.
not fairly
Can you see
quickly.
the wing there?
For whatever reason they don't,
And this is a Ryanair Boeing 737 MAX.
where they are quite interested with the Ryanair coming down, so you can have to stop behind it.
Pegasus.
Pegasus not
Yeah, is that the Pegasus
to
one?
move pretty quickly. So there is traffic jumping off the runway. Not careful. Don't move it. Then the next after the Ryanair where it says they're going to go down again.
Interesting engine sound from the Pegasus plane there. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying this video. It's a bit different, it's like a commentary plane spotting. There's the Pegasus. And this is actually the first Ryanair 737 MAX I've seen. Well, I went past one once, but this is... Oh, is that the Ryanair making those engine sounds? Oh, and there's another plane coming in now. Oh, there's a Lufthansa just landed. Oh no, it's taking off. Airbus A321, I think. And it's a rotation. And there seems to be another plane coming in, so quite busy today, really.
That should be loaded.
We think this is a Logan airplane, so yeah. Also, you can expect more plane videos, but
A380s behind.
and the A380 is just behind this Logan Air, so yeah. So yeah, this could either be a jet or a propeller plane, but Logan Air don't really have massive planes.
Yeah, there's.
And we are about to have a touchdown from the Logan Air.
He's a bit,
That's descending a bit quickly.
a bit ropey as well coming in.
Ooh. So if you didn't see the landing, the approach seemed to be a bit off, really. Like, came a bit sideways and then it was probably bouncy, but this is a Logan Air jet plane, and I don't actually know what this is. Is it an Embraer?
Yeah.
I think it's an Embraer. And here comes the A380. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Well, don't know if all of you were waiting to see the A380 land, but
Again.
it's the biggest plane we're going to see today, probably, so... We'll have to have our cameras aimed at that after we get a bit of this Logan Air. Okay, yeah, we're filming the A380. I'm really sorry, Logan Airplane, but is that an Embraer? Well, I might get the Logan Air taxi. Hopefully it gets off the runway in time. Yeah, this means we should see an Emirates Airbus A380 landing at Manchester Airport. This is the view from the runway visitor park. Oh, there's a small, like, private jet, is there? Yeah. No, it's on the other runway, I think. There's also a plane taking off, so yeah, that's the Logan Air taxi, and then there's a rotation from Hop, is it? I wanted to see what happens today. Yeah, this is probably gonna land. Oh, there's an Aer Lingus taxiing. Seems to be an easy jet that's about to take off. There's a few planes taking off, and then I'll definitely stop the video because it's been on nearly 20 minutes.
Which would then be part of the foreign object damage could be sucked into the engine and cause considerable damage. So there's no requirement for reverse thrust on the other engine.
Still, obviously, it's power engine fault. I've got to get a flight on these. Even on you guys ever get to go on? I'm talking to you. Pretty going on the ground.
After this one is the just shitting Ryanair's and music jets and things coming in.
Is it on the runway? Right now you should see an EasyJet taking off. I can definitely hear it. Oh, there it is. And then we'll see the biggest passenger plane in the world. Is that an Airbus A320 or an A320 Neo? I think it's an A320 though. Also Turkish Airlines that's taxiing. We'll probably see that taking off and then we'll end the video. It's been on like 22 minutes. And there's one that's just taken off.
Just leaving.
There's a Logan Air taxi. So I'm just going to have to pause the video, otherwise this will be on too long.
Big, aren't they?
Let's have a look at some of the planes there.
Things close up.
I've got the A380.
737 Ryanairs. You can see the A380's engines and wings, and you can see those. Anyways, I'm going to pause this video, otherwise it'll be too long. So we've just seen an airliner plane that's taking off, so just going to film that. I'm going to film these other planes in another video just so it's not too long, so goodbye for now, and then you can see the other planes when on the next video.